so this is going to be an, oh, my address. Okay, so this is going to be an unboxing video, and it's by a company called BBTTW. So their Twitter is at BBTTW. Their Instagram is BBTTW Ministries, sorry, and their email is bbttwministries@gmail.com. and what they basically do is that they have, it's like what would Jesus do kind of a thing, and they have t-shirts that tells a message. So it says BBTTW Romans 8:5-6, and on the back it has something written here. It has those who live according to the flesh have their mind set on what the flesh desires, but those who live in the accordance with the spirit have their mind set on what the spirit desires. The mind governed by the flesh is death, but the mind governed by the spirit is life and peace. And the BBTTW means big better than the world. That's it. Big better than the world. Be better than the world. That's it. Be better than the world. And yeah, so this is the top that I got from them. I also got a wristband in this hair and a card as well. So it's going to be a very short video, but I want, when you see this shirt again, you know where it came from. So yeah, so the wristband says be bigger than the world, Romans 8:5-6. Oh, and this finger spraying. So yeah, so this is it, and I got mine in an extra large because yeah, no one needs the room now. So yeah, so that's basically it, and I'll be wearing this. Will this video be up now or later? But I'll be wearing this in my January favorites video. So yeah. So this is it, and thank you so much BBTTW for giving this to me. I really love it, and I know it's going to be comfortable because y'all know I need the comforts. I need the comforts, Jesus. Yeah, so that's basically it. Just want to show you guys what I got and who I got it from, and I'll link everything for them in the description bar below. Please go ahead and support if you have Christian camps coming up. You can probably order some shirts to give probably special campers or something coming up, or if you have like at my church, you know, I have like an exec body or like mentors, mentees, you know. These are really nice gift ideas. These are the armbands or the shirt itself. Yeah, so that's basically it. Wanted to let you guys know that's where it's from, and thanks again to Be Bigger Than the World. I remembered. Okay, so I have a little card here which I'm assuming is mine. Alright, so I'll leave their website, their Facebook, and their social networks in the description bar below, and I'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye guys.